The frisbee's
Come on, do it again.
You can put the frisbee up on screen.
Nikki's going to save it.
Where is it? Where is it? Where is it?
Come on.
Just don't put it up there.
I want it so bad. They're just trolling us. Boo, this is not frisbee. Open the tomato, tomato. Where's frisbee?
Whose poor mom is
Show the frisbee. Show the frisbee.
Show the frisbee.
Show the frisbee. Show the frisbee. Show the frisbee. Show the frisbee. Show the frisbee. Show the frisbee. Please.
She's not really sure what a frisbee is.
You should have just had it.
Frisbee is.
Rat, I need to have a conversation with you. Wait, Rat. Go back.
Dude.
You know what? Come with me. Come with me.
What is happening?
Scheming and plotting.
Watch the What? Okay. What is?
It's a whole game? What?
Give me that for a second. Carly's gonna save us. Sign that the gods of the frisbee. I'm committed to the bit. Be real. Oh, she's coming back. No.
Unsuccessful. Mission failed.
People are trickling away.
They can't stop all of us.
They can't take our freedom.
Nosies! Nosies!
Get out!
Have you seen this man? Pull it to me on the disc, buddy, don't own.
Pull it to me on the disc, buddy, don't own
Pull
us.
it to me, have the disc, buddy, ain't have us. Have you seen him? And there's One Piece in the background.
He's missing.
We need to find
It's
him.
gone.
Nikki, we can't find
Nikki,
him.
I've been recording for almost 8 minutes. I'm committed to the bit.
Let's get it on the milk carton right now.
It's gone. Put it in a milk carton.
Call the police.
We need to missing persons report.
We need an Amber Alert immediately.
Yes, we do. So what if we just boycott the show? They can't start without us all.
They can't take down all of us.
We're boycotting now.
We're a union.
We're not going on. We're forming a union.
We're part of the union.
This is serious business. Last time it was a
State
frisbee.
your name, the
My name
year,
is John
the
Emerson Wheeler. It is
situation.
March 22nd to 2025. The last time that the frisbee went missing, there was like this frisbee right here. There was a thief, and the thief was Rebecca, our stage manager. So I can't say it, but it's Kennerly. I don't want to out her, but it's Rebecca Wilkes. Rebecca. Okay, so anyways, Rebecca Wilkes, is that what it was? I don't know, but I'm John, but she pay no mind. Last time she took the frisbee and she hid it for an entire tech rehearsal. This time, I don't know what she thinks she's playing at, but if she thinks we are a force to be reckoned with, then she's correct. But I meant to say if she thinks we're not to be a force, she's wrong. You get... Read it and weep.
Here we have two refuges of the frisbee depression of 2025. They are seeking shelter. Spare frisbee! Spare frisbee, ma'am! But they are just failing. So if you could send help. In the arms of the angels, fly away with me.
No!
Rebecca!
Rebecca stole it!
Kill her a fun!
John was right.
I called the authorities for keeping the kidnapping ASAP. Food, bye.
Wrong way. You know what we want, Sarah.
The people demand
Sarah, you
answers.
know what we want. You know what we want, Sarah.
Our demands are simple.
Strike, strike,
Strike, strike, strike, strike. Oh, strike. Dun, 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 dun,
Okay, Bush.
Mush gang.
Nikki said shh.
Heard, Miss Nikki, ma'am.
We're bargaining.
We riot quietly.
Oh, be quiet when we get the frisbee.
Frisbee time. It better be frisbee time.
Okay, Nikki says she's going to talk to the boss. Nikki's going.
Nikki's a real one.
We will not.
What does this mean? What does this mean? What does it mean, Carly? What does it mean? What does it mean?
Carly, what do we want?
The frisbee?
When do we want it?
Now? Correct.
That's what I thought. Abby.
What does it mean?
We will not go quietly onto the stage without this frisbee.
What show are we doing? Dun-dun, 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 dun. Start throwing shoes, guys. There's word.
Whatever Carly says. Okay, what's the show? What's
After the green room, check the monitors.
after green?
After green room check monitors.
Frisbee comes onto the screen, you guys go on the stage. We have a deal.
The dark
The dark couples are gonna what?
The spies on the other side.
Not if there is no frisbee, there is no frisbee.
We don't go on
There is
stage.
no show. There is no stage. There is no stage of the Oconee.
Guys, it's not the lightning thief, it's the frisbee thief.
Scared city. Where is John? Everybody's staring back. John missed it. John missed it.
Guys, 5 big boobs for John.
Okay, thanks. 4 minutes till green room.
Sacrifice was worth
A tragic ending to our frisbee tale.
Everyone in the crowd test us, guys. John didn't see it.
sacrifice is necessary.
Were you peeing? Is that what was happening? You can't pee in times like these, John. This is a time to pee with a strong
Times of war, John. We can't use their facilities.
I don't care if you have a million fans out in the audience tonight. I don't care if you have 0, but you have one because we know that something that we care about deeply is out there. Something that belongs to us. Something that is our grateful possession.
Yes!
Is watching us tonight. This difference.
Wait, Red has something to say.
No, I don't. I was just standing up here.
Speech!
Speech for our brave hero. Speech. I gather thee. We may have lost many battles, but we have won the war.
This is reporter Selena Beauregard signing off.